Woke up, it was not the door, it was the window right over my head. Two things you must take note of. My room has about 5 windows, but this was the exact window just above my head. And this was the exact time I was supposed to wake up. And I opened the curtain to see. Media team, can you play? Do you have the video? Play, let them. Is it playing? Is it up now? People said, because some people said, um, birds always knock on the window, they are fighting their reflection. I understand there is a natural side to it, but first and foremost, this has never happened to me before. I have never witnessed it happen in that house. It happened at the exact time. Okay, it's okay now. You have turned it to soundtrack. It happened at the exact time I was meant to wake up. Exact time. So, I told someone just 2 weeks ago, interestingly, I said, when you talk about divine leading, I live like Bible days. I'm telling you. I live like Bible days. So many spectacular leadings. Some of them I can't share. There are some things, if I tell you this happened, you will say, because I don't know.